As you can tell from the title, this is a film first film video. Now this time I'm going to be putting this film, which is ILFORD ORTHO Plus, which is an 80 speed film, up against ILFORD DELTA 100, but this is actually shot at 80. I didn't shoot it at 100, I kept both of them the same. Now the reason for this was to test this film because I've not used it before. And I've heard that it can actually make reds look a lot darker than they actually are, and that it's very good for landscapes. Hence the fact it's better for foliage and green, but not good for red. So I went out for a quick walk around the gallery. Basically, there's a few roads around here, and I shot with my Hasselblad 503 CW. Now, the reason for the test is I really want to see what this film's like before I go out and shoot some landscapes. I've heard very good things about it. And it's nice to have a new film. Everybody seems to think film's dying, and companies keep bringing back films and bringing out new films, which is always good. And I do like Delta 100. It's a nice film, it's a nice clean film too. I do like the look of it. So, as I said earlier, all the photos were taken with the Hasselblad 503 CW. Now the first image you're going to see is of this, the color checker. Now there'll be two black and white images obviously, one from each film, and then there'll be a color one there as well. So you can actually see the differences that the films will make to different colors. And then if you head down in the description, there's a link to a Dropbox folder where you can actually download the samples of these so you can check them out for yourself. And you can also check out the grain as well in the film, because I do think this Ortho has a very unique grain. I'm not sure whether I like it or not. Now, after that, you'll see some more images. Now, one will be of an old timber building that is bright red. It's actually next door to me. It's my neighbor. And it's a bright red building, and it has a tree going across the top. Now, you'll actually see how the Ortho makes the red darker than what the Delta 100 does. So that's quite interesting. And there's another picture of some wheelie bins, which are my rubbish bins, actually, waiting to go out. They're green with red tops. Again, see how the film reacts with them, because it does make red much darker, but for some reason it's actually making the dark green darker on those bins as well, which is quite unusual. And then there's one more image I think you should check out, which is of the scooters. There are these electric scooters we have in Auckland that you can hire. Now they are bright orange. They're not red, they're orange. And for some reason, this ILFORD Ortho makes them really dark. It's really made that orange a real dark color. So check out those photos, check out the slideshow, and then afterwards we'll have a quick chat. So what did you think of the ILFORD Ortho? Do you like the look of it? Do you like the way that it renders the reds and the greens? It's going to take me a little bit while to get used to this, but I do like the look of it, and it will be interesting to use this as a landscape film. Now, what I want you guys to let me know is what film you want me to test this up against. I'm going to head out in a few weeks with the Hasselblad 503 CW, and I'm going to shoot a few rolls of this, but I also want to put it up against another film. Do you want me to put up Acros? Do you want me to put up against Delta 100, Delta 400, whatever you want, but it must be a black and white film. Let me know down in the comment section. And while you're down in the comment section, remember, with all my film videos, you have a chance to win the film. Now, sadly, I don't have any Delta 100 left. That's my last box, and it's actually empty. I don't have any of that left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give away 3 rolls of ILFORD Ortho Plus in 120. I don't have any 35. All you have to do is like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel. It's as easy as that. And then I will pick a winner in 2 weeks. I will contact you, and then I will send you 3 rolls of Ortho Plus in 120 format anywhere in the world, free of charge. I pay for the postage. Not a bad deal really, is it? But as always, thank you so much for watching this video.